Hello my dear friends, today we are discuss our first chapter, matter in our surrounding. Let's see, first of all, what do you mean by matter? Anything around us, like this dust, have some mass and occupy space in universe. That's why it is called matter. So, matter can be defined as anything that occupies space and have mass is called matter. Example, tree, this chalk, cup, all etc. are the matter. But friends, if I say you are in love, so love is your feelings and feeling is not matter because it doesn't occupy space and have mass. If you feel cold, then it is also not matter. So clarify it. Let's see. Anything has space and have mass is called matter. Now, friends, what is this matter made up of? This matter is made up of tiny particles. Tiny particles means smallest particles which is not going to further divide. And these particles combine to make any substance or matter. Physical nature of matter, first point is the matter is made up of particle. Let's see another characteristic. They have a space between them. Okay, now we can understand this characteristic by one activity. If we have a beaker and in beaker some water is poured, this is the particle of water we can see by the microscope, and in the water the space, the particles have some space. Now add some salt. What happened, friends? After adding salt, salt is automatically dissolved in water. Salt dissolve in water because the particles of water have a space between them. They allow salt to dissolve in it. So, my friends, the remaining space filled with the salt particles. So that's why you can say that the matter is made up of particles and these particles have a space between them. The another characteristic of particle is, third one, continuously moving. So particles are continuously moving. Let's see one example of it. If I lighten up an incense stick, agarbatti, if I light up incense stick, right now, right here, what happened? The fragrance of this incense stick spread all over this room, and this fragrance is automatically mixed with air. So another characteristic is come, which is called diffusion. So intermixing of two substances is called on their own is called diffusion. So, insensitive fragrance particles mix with air particles, that's why it is called diffusion. And they are continuously moving, that's why you can fragrance it, smell it from another corner of the room. Fourth point, the particles are very small. Let's see by one activity. Take a beaker and pour 90 ml water. Then after add 10 ml KMnO4 means potassium permanganate, which is in purple color. So now we have total 100 ml solution. From this solution, take 10 ml and fill in second beaker which have already 90 ml water. So what happened? You take 10 ml from first beaker and add into second one. Then second one, after some time, take second 10 ml solution from second beaker and pour into third, and going on next and next. What happened? At last 3 and 4 beaker completed, you will find that each and every beaker has lighter color compared to first one. First compare to second, compare second to third, and which is last one, fifth or sixth, is pink in color, light pink color. So here the particles of KMnO4 is very small. You can't imagine how much it is small, and that's why what happened, when you take 10 ml of KMnO4, it has some particles of KMnO4, and that's why it fill the whole volume containing second beaker, and so on. So you can say that every matter has some very small particles. Last one, they attract each other. Now friends, take example, if I have a iron nail, then rubber band, and last one, if I have this chalk, three of all is solid. Now friends, tell me, if I want to break down it by hammering, which one first breakable? Chalk. Which is second? Rubber. And which is third? Absolutely nail. Three of all are solid, but the bonding between the chalk particles, rubber particles and nail particles are different. So if the bond or attraction between particles are less, they are easily broken down. So chalk particles have less attract in it, that's why it is easily break down after rubber, and then last one is nail. Nail have most attraction between their particles, that's why they contain or they broken down at last. Now see another topic.